So we're currently wiping the car down for the 51st time of this morning. We have to keep it very, very clean, and it's best to keep the dust down. So we're at Ellerslie car show. We've been invited into the masterclass with the Toyota Celica GT, and we're just giving it a final wipe down before it gets judged. I feel good, actually. I think we've built a beautiful example of what the Toyota Celica GT is. We as a company are very, very proud of it, and it's already turning quite a few heads, actually. It's not often an original JDM turns up at a show like this, and it's been welcomed quite lovingly. There are judges that will be looking at certain aspects of the car. It won't be judged by one single person, it will be a collective of judges. So they'll be breaking the car down into certain categories: engine bay, chrome, wheels, paintwork, and they'll all make their own marks and later on can convene to discuss and bring all their opinions together. The toy shop's never done anything like this before. We've built cars like this before, but we haven't really entered in a show per se of this caliber. So we're quite excited to be invited. There's probably no right or wrong way of approaching how you take what is a very, very, very good build and approach this show. The only way we thought the best way of doing it was to say suddenly nothing's good enough. We must start again immediately. But you settle down and you get into it and you touch up and you tweak, and it's just never-ending tweaking and a bit of polish, and how do we make that better? And that's how you create the perfect car. We have a lot of original features on this vehicle. It's easily 80%, 87% the original car, lovingly restored. We've had to rebuild the engine. We've had to rebuild the gearbox to make that work properly and be a nice smooth gear change. Don't forget, this is a car that's being driven on the public road. It's not a museum piece. So everything has to work and be reliable. There's, like I say, there's separate judges for separate categories on the car. So we've just had the chroming judge.
So there'll be that round is done again by other people. So there's 20, as far as I'm aware, there's 25 judges in total, and they go around, and you've got it's either 550 or 540 points, broken into 10 categories.
The judge that we've just seen has been looking at chrome work, plating of the bolts, are they the original clips, all kinds of stuff. The attention to detail they look at it's quite phenomenal.
I think the details, there's everywhere you look, there's detail, but it's just finding, there's an angle, it's just finding a different angle, because I love how there's not really a lot of straight lines in it. I mean, it's just beautifully, you never get... Yes,
for what actually looks like a straight car, it's incredibly curved.
It's a lot of curvature for a car like this, so yeah, I mean, it's quite ironic, really. We're here with a European, with a business that specialises in European marques, and we've got a Celica in the mix. So it's quite an interesting story in that alone.
Some irony involved.
Some irony involved in that one.
This is 87% original vehicle, rebuilt, and he likes the little marks in it, believe it or not, that tell the story. You can't really chrome it, and it's part of the history of the car. I'd like to be back next year. I'd like to be here every year showing off different cars that we build at the toy shop, quite proudly. I don't know if my nervous system could cope, but you can't feel it on the camera, but there's quite a nice atmosphere of, there's some very, very elegant, very, very well built cars here that people have spent a lot of time and passion on. And it's beautiful to see, whether if it's companies like ours that have built it, or people have built it over what seems to be many years of love and care and attention to detail. It's truly quite special.